guys, welcome back to another episode of Dessert Time. I'm Trinity, and today we are going to be recreating Peter Kavinsky's promposal pancakes to Laura Jean from the new movie Always and Forever.
Go to prom with me.
Yes, of course.
The movie hasn't technically come out yet, but we are still going to recreate them from the trailer. So what we're going to be recreating them with, or these pancakes, is they're going to be strawberry shortcakes. So we're gonna have 2 mini strawberry shortcakes. So you don't have to do it just for the show. You could do it for your gal, your bro, or your boo. So before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you get notified every time I release a new video. Let's go! So first things first, we're going to sift our dry ingredients together in like a medium-sized bowl. Now I will have all of the ingredient measurements and the ingredients down below in the description box. After we whisk these together, then we're going to want to add in our heavy cream, okay? And then we want to nicely fold that in, but we don't want to overmix it, so you just want to until it's combined. And then you want to spray some pans. Whatever pan you're gonna use. Now I'm using this small, long rectangle Euler pan, but this way I can cut out 2 circles, and we're gonna cut those circles in half. But anyways, so you're gonna scoop this in there after you spray your pan, and you're just gonna try and even it and make sure it's level. You're gonna bake it in the oven at 350 for about 18 to 20 minutes, at least till it's golden brown. Now mine was a little splotchy, but it's perfectly fine. So you're gonna take it out of the oven, right? And what you need to do is you need to get it out of the pan entirely, that way it can completely cool. Okay, so we're gonna let that cool, and while that cools, we're gonna take care of our strawberries. So our strawberries, you just wanna have a good amount, make sure they're washed, okay? And we're going to add a little sugar and mix that in and put it in the refrigerator. This way the juices can start developing and it can be great. We need to cut our biscuit. So we're gonna take a circular cutter. I'll link one down below, or the one that I have. Mine came in like a set of different sizes. So I'm using like the second largest, I think. And so you just wanna cut out your biscuit, right? And then you wanna carefully do this. Kids, get adult supervision, preferably help, because this was kind of hard and it actually scared me to death with having this huge knife. But you're gonna take a knife, don't have to use a huge knife, and you're gonna carefully cut that biscuit in half. That way you have 4. They're gonna be thinner, but you're gonna have 4, which is what we need. So now we have our cut biscuits, we have our whipped cream, and we have our strawberries. So it's time to assemble our cute pancakes, or pancakes. Out of the 2 biscuits you have, you're gonna pick which one's gonna be your bottom, right? And then you're going to fill it with whipped cream, and then add some strawberries, and then you want to add just a little bit of whipped cream. That way there's something to keep the biscuit on top of the strawberries. For the To All the Boys I Love Before touches, I cut the strawberries in half and I flatten the backs just a little bit, and you're gonna have 5, and that way that look like a star. You're gonna position them in a star. And then you're gonna take your whipped cream and you're gonna have like a star tip, and then you're gonna squirt it all over it, make it messy. And so I tried different things. I tried like strawberry syrup, I tried jelly, and I tried piping gel dyed red, and that worked for me. Piping gel dyed red to write prom, because I didn't want it smearing everywhere. But your second best option would be jelly. Here are our finished strawberry shortcakes for To All the Boys I Loved Before and Valentine's. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed making these. If you did, I'd love to see them. Okay, I have Facebook, so Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up if you like this. If you have any ideas for upcoming videos for me, I'm all ears. Thank you for watching, and see you next month.